Welcome to EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich, and today we are going to take a look at Dream Machine. It's a brand new text-to-video platform from Luma Labs. So this is the website. It is called Dream Machine. You can see some of the really cool videos which have been generated by just a single text prompt. So you can start for free. To do that, you just click the button at the top right-hand side of the screen. You will need a Gmail account, but if you have one, then you can get started for free. So here we are. The website is lumalabs.ai. Once you sign in, all of your creations will be listed. So what I like about this is it's just as easy as generating output from ChatGPT, whether that is text output or a photo. In this case, we are going to be generating a video. So let me just show you a couple different ones that I created earlier today. Here is my lifelike unicorn running through a beautiful lush valley. Looks pretty cool. Here's my gorilla in a yellow tuxedo playing the piano in a crowded Pizza Time theater. That gorilla has human hands and it almost looks like a human with the gorilla mask on, but that's okay. It still looks really cool. Now what I like about this is as soon as you generate your content, it will provide you with a direct link, or there's even an option to click the bottom right-hand corner and download. It looks like it's not available in my Safari browser, but if you open the same link in Chrome, it will allow you to download the video. So we have a little bit of time. Let me generate an image. Mine is going to say a wide shot of a flying pig flying over the New York City skyline. Once I click this arrow, it should start to generate and be done in about a minute or two. Okay, so it's done. There you can see my pig flying over New York City. Now what I'd like to do is click on this link right over here. It's going to give me that direct link. Okay, so now I'm going to take that direct link and I'm just going to paste it into a new Chrome incognito window. It's going to look the same. The reason that I posted this in Chrome is because right from this window, it will give me the option to download an MP4 file. If I just click on these three dots right over here, select the download button, that will begin the process to download this 5-second clip as an MP4 video if I want to use it like in a presentation or maybe just in a video. Okay, so maybe you don't like that video of the flying pig. If you want to regenerate it again, you can. Again, with Dream Machine, there is my wide shot of New York City. I've yet to see the flying pig. I guess it just didn't show up in this version. So again, that may be the case to generate again. What I was about to say is that with Dream Machine, you do have a maximum of 10 generations per day and about 30 per month. If you want to generate more than that, you will need to upgrade to a paid tier. But that is Dream Machine. It's really cool to play around with some of the video that you can generate. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.